Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. With casinos floating in troubled waters, Dole Danotic Shipping Company plans to open a branch in Goa, claims responsibility of maintenance of casinos. GSACS releases shocking figures, more than 12,000 HIV positive cases in Goa. All four sarpanchs from Kantkon apologized to court for negligence in following court directives. Talegaon Panchayat election gets hotter. Save Talegaon Democratic Front alleges opposition of foul play. And Football Academy fate still unknown. Kukkorkars raise voice against land grabbing. Now the news in detail. International shipping company Dole Danotic has decided to open its branch in Goa. Dole Danotic already is in talks with mining giants in Goa. They would also be taking care of technical aspects of marine vessels and casinos in the state. Management of Dole Danotic says that around 1,000 jobs will be created with their arrival.
It was mandatory for us to open because there is no ship management company ever. So we would be the first ship management company in Goa, the first international ship management company in Goa. So the idea is to have an office here, manage it out of Goa, and give employment to the people of Goa. That is our basic idea of managing an office out of here, out of Goa.
The company is operating in various aspects of shipping business, which includes crew management, technical management, vessel operation and commercial management. Their major client includes Shipping Corporation of India. 2 years back, Dole Danotic had a merger with Peter Dorix, the single largest private shipping owner in the world.
There's some sort of the full technical crew management of the casino. Yeah, because at the moment it's been again outsourced. So a typical, I'm in Goa, if I own a casino, I own something, I prefer dealing with an office in Goa. So I don't know why nobody has opened an office in Goa. I have no idea. And I'm fortunate on the first one.
Casino means you mean to say ship, right?
Yeah, that's a ship. The casino, yeah, floating casino.
Basically the marine side of it.
This shipping company is also likely to give technical knowledge to casino vessels to dispose their garbage. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
National AIDS Control Organization report on AIDS cases in Goa reveals that AIDS is affecting people in sexually active and economically productive segment of 15 to 49 years of age. Almost 89% of the reported cases belong to this age group. In Goa up to 2008, almost 12,000 cases are reported.
AIDS. The disease is for sure a lethal one, but lack of proper knowledge on HIV has made the disease more deadly and fearful. First case of HIV was detected in 1987, and up to 2008, as many as 11,105 HIV cases are reported in Goa. The taluka-wise distribution of HIV cases shows that majority of the cases are reported in Marmugaon, Salsette, Tiswadi and Bardes. The disease is mainly affecting the people in the age group of 15 to 29 years of age. The disease is more prevalent in males than females. Sexual route is the predominant mode of transmission, and it ranged between 83% to 96%, followed by mother to child with 4% to 6%. Infection through blood and blood products and infected syringes are negligible in Goa. HIV awareness now is not only a domain of any social working organization or any NGO, but the police personnel are also defining their role in this social cause. DGP Bhimsen Bassi opened one such awareness program on HIV AIDS organized by Goa State AIDS Control Society and Goa Police on Friday.
We can use their good offices to ensure that the sex workers are familiarized and are made sensitized about the safe sex the children, we can always get in touch with some NGOs and get the children of these sex workers can be got examined for whether they are HIV positive or otherwise. And then whenever we come across any addicts, we can at least ensure, I'm not talking of pushers or peddlers, addicts, we can try to brief them, notwithstanding that they are accused persons, that they should use safe techniques rather than using the same old syringes.
Director for Goa State AIDS Control Society, Dr. Pradeep Padwar emphasized on the awareness on the menace.
Problem of HIV, that the way it is spreading is specifically through sex, syringe, serum, what we talk. And the three modes that we have. When police department looks at it, you have your definite angle. Like for example, man having sex with man. There is no legal sanctity to this particular thing. Sex workers' profession is not legalized. So we have Immoral Trafficking Prohibition Act and all that. So again, you would view rightfully through your police angle that something that is going on is wrong.
Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab.
4 sarpanches from Kankon on Friday apologized before Bombay High Court for not implementing court orders on CRZ violations. High Court on Thursday had taken tough stand against sarpanches for not following court orders under CRZ rules. Court had also warned them of sending them to jail for showing laxity in following court directives.
Apology by 4 sarpanchas was tendered on the grounds that they have realized the consequences of their plans of regularizing some structures under CRZ. Names of these sarpanchas are Biva Velip from Kola, Rinali Namshikar from Poingini, Vipal Loliekar from Loliye, and Jovi Fernandez of Agonda. The 4 sarpanchas said that they had no intention to disobey the order of the court. They also said that they would convey fresh meetings to take decisions on each and every structure in accordance with the law and on the merit by judging every single case differently. The apology has been accepted by the court. Now court has asked all these 4 panchayats to identify legal structures by 16 June. Court has also suggested government to come up with a committee if possible to help panchayats with CRZ rules. A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.